Right now, as you're watching this, there's a good chance your shoulders are doing something they were never designed to do. They're rolling forward, your chest is caving inward, and your head is creeping toward your screen like it's trying to escape your body. And here's the unsettling part. This isn't just a posture problem. Researchers have linked this exact shoulder position to weaker breathing, reduced grip strength, and even lower confidence in how people perceive themselves. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this happens and, more importantly, the specific fix that physical therapists actually use to reverse it. Let's start with why this is happening to almost everyone. Rounded shoulders develop because of a simple imbalance. The muscles on the front of your body, your chest, and the front of your shoulders spend all day in a shortened, contracted position from sitting, typing, and looking down at phones. Meanwhile, the muscles on your upper back, the ones responsible for pulling your shoulders into proper alignment, sit stretched out and weak. Over months and years, your body adapts to whatever position you hold most often. Muscles that are shortened stay tight. Muscles that are lengthened stay weak. This is sometimes called upper cross syndrome, a term coined by Czech physician Vladimir Janda, who spent decades studying how modern posture habits reshape the body. Now, here's something most people get wrong. They think the fix is simply to stretch the chest. Stretching helps, but it's only half the equation. If you only stretch the tight muscles without strengthening the weak ones, your shoulders will just drift right back into that rounded position within days. The real fix requires attacking both sides of the imbalance at once. So let's talk about what actually works, starting with the stretch side. Doorway chest stretches are one of the most effective tools here. Stand in a doorway, place your forearms on the frame at the shoulder height, and gently lean forward until you feel a stretch across your chest. Hold that for 30 seconds a few times a day, and you're slowly teaching those tight muscles to release. But the real game changer is on the strengthening side. Face pulls, band pull-aparts, and prone Y raises target the muscles between your shoulder blades. The ones that have been switched off for years. Even something as simple as squeezing your shoulder blades together for 5 seconds, repeated throughout your day, sends a signal to your nervous system to start recruiting those dormant muscles again. There's also a posture cue that changes everything once you learn it. Instead of thinking, pull your shoulders back, which often just creates tension, think about rotating your palms slightly outward while standing or sitting. Try it right now. Notice how your chest naturally opens and your shoulder blades settle into place without you forcing it. This tiny adjustment retrains your body without the strain of consciously fighting your own posture all day. Consistency is what separates people who fix this permanently from people who see temporary results. Studies on postural correction have shown that meaningful changes in muscle activation patterns typically take several weeks of consistent practice, not a single session. This is a retraining process, similar to how athletes rebuild movement patterns after an injury. So here's your action plan. Stretch your chest daily, strengthen your upper back with pull-aparts and face pulls 3 times a week, and use the palms out cue every time you catch yourself slouching. Do this consistently, and within a few weeks, you'll notice you're standing taller without even thinking about it. If this helps you understand your own posture a little better, hit like and subscribe if you want more science-backed breakdowns like this one, and let me know in the comments what habit you think is wrecking your posture the most.